Newly released video from the U.S. military revealed that a jet pilot and a student hit a bird when their plane crashed into a Texas neighborhood last year. The video shows the moment a jet trainer from Kingsville was flying with a student pilot on September 19, 2021, over the Naval Air Station Joint Reserve Base Fort Worth. The video cuts out just before the jet crashes into a group of homes over the nearby Lake Worth neighborhood.
Bridge 237, Roger, just be advised you want to make an approach to a lake cable approximately 1,200 feet. Yeah, we're not going to check. Stand by to check.
No civilians were hurt in the crash, and the pilot instructor only received minor injuries after landing in a nearby wooded area. The student pilot, however, suffered burns after his parachute was caught in power lines after he ejected. The names of the pilots have not been publicly released. Video footage posted to Facebook showed the parachute wrapped around the overhead cables. Debris damaged 3 Lake Worth homes, with the plane being found in one of the backyards. The aircraft was a Navy T-45C Goshawk jet trainer aircraft that was assigned from Training Air Wing 2 at Naval Air Station in Kingsville, according to a statement from Chief of Naval Air Training. Officials said the pilots were conducting a routine training flight that originated from the Corpus Christi International Airport, about 350 miles south of Lake Worth along the Gulf Coast. Wreckage from the aircraft was found in 3 of the homes in which residents were evacuated out by Red Cross members. The military had cleaned up the damage by October 1st as it began investigating the source of the crash.
I cannot believe we just saw that. Did everyone get evacuated?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.